In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail to check mail from other accounts, step by step, so you can manage multiple inboxes from one place. This is super useful if you have a personal email, a work email, or an older account that you still need to monitor without logging in and out all day. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once the Gmail page loads, sign into the Gmail account that you want to use as your main account. This is the account where your other emails will be collected. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu that appears, click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where all of the advanced options are located. Now, at the top of the settings page, click the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts, import mail, and manage sending and receiving settings. Scroll down until you find the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Under that section, click Add a Mail Account. A small window will pop up asking you to enter the email address of the other account you want to check from Gmail. Type in the other email address and click Next. Gmail will then give you a couple of options depending on the type of account you're connecting. If Gmailify is available, you may see the option to link the account with Gmailify. This is the easiest option because it can bring extra Gmail features to that account. If that option is not available, choose Import Emails from my other account, which uses POP3 to bring mail into Gmail. Next, Gmail will ask you for the other account details. Enter the username for that email account, followed by the password. Then you'll need to enter the POP server and the port number. These details are usually provided by the email service you're connecting, so make sure you enter them correctly. After that, Gmail will show you a few optional settings. You can choose to leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server if you want the emails to remain in the original account too. You can also select Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL, for added security, which is a good idea in most cases. And if you want the imported emails to be easier to organize, you can turn on Label Incoming Messages so Gmail automatically tags them for you. Once everything is filled out, click Add Account. Gmail will connect to the other mailbox and begin checking for mail from that account. Depending on the settings and the number of emails, it may take a little while before messages start appearing in your inbox. And that's it. You've now set up Gmail to check mail from another account. This is a great way to keep everything in one place and save time every day. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.